Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. Today is our art class. Yes, today we are going to have a lot of fun through a fantastic fun art activity. So, let's begin. For this activity, we need A4 white paper sheet, an apron, a small piece of bubble wrap which is cut in square shape, a paintbrush, 2 paints, red and green. It is not necessary that you take these 2 colors. You can replace them with any other 2 colors. Water in a bowl and tissue paper. First we take the piece of blue bubble wrap. After that, you will get red paint. And we will apply the red color to the bubble wrap. Apply the color to the whole bubble sheet. Spread it very nicely so it covers the whole bubble wrap. Now, pick up the bubble wrap and place the paint pot on the white sheet and press it with the help of your fingers. Take out the bubble wrap. Next, dip the wrap in water. After that, take out the bubble wrap and place it on the tissue paper and dry the bubble wrap. Wipe the red color with the help of a tissue. Again, dip the wrap in water so that the wrap is well cleaned. Take another tissue and dry the bubble wrap nicely. Now take the green paint, apply it on the bubble wrap, spread it nicely. Cover the whole bubble wrap with green color. Now, pick up the bubble wrap and place the paint pot on the white sheet. and press it with the help of your fingers. Dip the bubble wrap in the water. Like this, you can cover whole sheet. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Next week, I will be back with a new activity. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.